Radio. Released 2003, directed by Michael Tolan. The Slaughter Rule. The Slaughter Rule. The Best of Times. Released 1986, directed by Roger Sponsor. All the Right Moves. Released 1983, directed by Michael Chapman. Johnny Be Good. Released 1988, directed by Bud S. Smith. Any Given Sunday. Released 1999, directed by Oliver Stone. Wildcats. Released 1986, directed by Michael Ritchie. Replacements. Released 2000, directed by Howard Hughes. 23 Blast. The Longest Yard. Undefeated. Undefeated. Little Giants. Gridiron Gang.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.